Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Object Oriented ABAP on YouTube with me Amrit, right? So we have seen lots and lots of things till now. Now we will move on and we will try to understand this another concept of ALV in Object Oriented ABAP or Object Oriented ABAP. Yes, how things actually works here. So before directly going for implementation part, we need to understand about this ALV concept. Yes, and how many ways are there to create a ALV? So if I start with its introduction, how we are going to explain it? Yes, how we are going to explain it? So ALV stands for ABAP List Viewer and Application List Viewer. ABAP List Viewer, or also known as Application List Viewer. It is a format to display the output which provides better user interaction and better user experience. Yes, it is a format to display the output which provides better user interaction and better user experience, right? Then for creation of any ALV, two things are always there. For creation of any ALV, two things are always there and they are very, very important. The very first thing that we have is designing of the output structure. Designing of the output structure, that is how our output going to look like. Our output is going to look like. Yes, our output is going to look like. This part, this is known as field catalog in SAP system. Then second thing is bind the internal table data with the field catalog or output structure. Bind the internal table data with the field catalog, right? So this is an overview part of it. Now let's discuss how many ways or how we can create a ALV. How many ways are there to basically create a ALV? Yes. So there are total 3 types of ALV given by SAP. Total 3 types of ALV given by SAP. First one is your normal ALV. Second one is your object oriented ALV. And the third one is your ALV with IDA. 3 types of ALV is given by SAP system. Normal ALV are created using function modules. Function module. Here what we do, here we create our field catalog which is your // field cat ALV. Yes, we create our field catalog using / field cat ALV, right? Then what we do, We bind the field catalog with the internal table. Yes, we bind the field catalog with the internal table. And for binding we have here three different ways. Which is your reuse ALV list display, reuse ALV grid display, and the third one is reuse ALV hierarchical sequence list display. Yes, three function modules are there for list. Then we have this one is for grid display, and then we have this reuse ALV hierarchical sequence list display. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss when we will start with the implementation part, right? Then we have this object oriented ALV. So before that we will see the implementation of this part in the next video. Then we will move on to all these ALVs part. So ALV in object oriented ABAP or normal ABAP, you can call it anything. Okay, so this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like and share. We will continue from next part.